Have you ever looked at your home and wished it felt more alive, peaceful, and beautiful? The secret isn't expensive furniture or fancy decorations. It's plants. A few creative gardening ideas can completely transform your balcony, patio, backyard, or even a tiny apartment into a stunning green oasis. In today's video, you'll discover beautiful home gardening ideas that are easy to create, budget-friendly, and guaranteed to impress your family and guests. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, these inspiring designs will help you maximize every inch of your space. Stay until the end, because idea number 10 is one of the most beautiful and practical gardening trends that's taking social media by storm. Let's start creating your dream garden today. 1. Create a cozy container garden. Container gardens are one of the easiest ways to bring life into your home. Simply arrange colorful pots of different sizes on your balcony, porch, or entrance to create a layered, professional look. Mix flowering plants with lush, green foliage to add texture and vibrant colors throughout the year. Decorative ceramic pots, wooden planters, or recycled containers all work beautifully. Add small garden lights around the containers for an elegant evening atmosphere. Because containers are portable, you can easily move them to follow the sunlight or redesign your garden whenever you want. This simple idea is perfect for renters and homeowners alike, allowing anyone to enjoy a beautiful garden without needing a large yard. 2. Build a vertical garden wall. Running out of space? Grow upward instead of outward. Vertical gardens transform blank walls into living works of art while saving valuable floor space. Install wooden pallets, metal grids, or hanging pocket planters, and fill them with pothos, ferns, herbs, succulents, or colorful flowers. The different textures and shades of green create an eye-catching display that instantly upgrades any patio or balcony. Vertical gardens also improve air quality and help keep walls cooler during hot weather. They're surprisingly easy to maintain because watering systems can be simplified with drip irrigation or self-watering pockets. It's a perfect solution for small homes that still want a lush garden experience. 3. Design a relaxing garden corner. Every beautiful home deserves a peaceful garden retreat. Choose a quiet corner and add a comfortable chair, a small wooden bench, or even a hanging swing. Surround the seating area with flowering plants, ornamental grasses, and fragrant herbs like lavender or jasmine to create a calming atmosphere. Place decorative stones, lanterns, or fairy lights around the space to make it magical after sunset. A small water fountain adds relaxing sounds that make the garden feel like a luxury resort. This cozy corner becomes the perfect place for reading, morning coffee, meditation, or simply enjoying nature after a busy day. 4. Add hanging plant displays. Hanging plants instantly make any home feel more vibrant and stylish. Suspend baskets from ceilings, pergolas, balconies, or porch roofs using sturdy hooks. Trailing plants such as pothos, ivy, string of pearls, and spider plants create cascading waterfalls of greenery that soften hard architectural lines. Mix baskets at different heights to create visual depth and movement. Choose woven baskets or modern ceramic planters, depending on your home's style. Hanging gardens are also practical because they save floor space while keeping plants safe from pets. With proper watering and occasional trimming, these floating gardens become one of the most eye-catching features of your home. Five, grow a beautiful herb garden. Why not combine beauty with functionality? Herb gardens provide fresh ingredients for cooking, while filling your home with wonderful natural fragrances. Plant basil, rosemary, mint, thyme, oregano, parsley, and cilantro in attractive wooden boxes or colorful pots. Arrange them near the kitchen window, balcony, or patio where they're easy to harvest. Label each herb with decorative signs for a charming farmhouse appearance. Herbs require relatively little maintenance while offering constant rewards throughout the growing season. Their fresh scents naturally attract pollinators and make outdoor spaces feel incredibly inviting. It's one of the most rewarding gardening projects for beginners. Six, create a stone pathway garden. A winding stone pathway instantly makes any garden look professionally designed. Use stepping stones, bricks, or natural rocks to create a path leading through flowers and greenery. Fill the spaces between stones with creeping thyme, moss, or low-growing ground cover plants for an enchanting appearance. Border the pathway with colorful flowers, ornamental grasses, or compact shrubs that gently soften the edges. Solar-powered pathway lights create a magical glow during the evening while improving safety. A beautiful pathway encourages guests to explore every corner of your garden and adds structure that ties the entire landscape together beautifully. Seven, decorate with colorful flower beds. Flower beds are the heart of many beautiful gardens. Combine plants with different bloom times so your garden remains colorful throughout the year. Mix tall flowers in the back, medium-height plants in the center, and shorter blooms along the front for maximum visual impact. Use contrasting colors like purple, lavender, yellow marigolds, red begonias, and white petunias to create stunning displays. Add decorative mulch to suppress weeds while giving the flower beds a polished appearance. Butterflies and bees will naturally visit your colorful garden, bringing even more life and beauty to your outdoor space. 8. Add decorative garden lighting. Lighting transforms an ordinary garden into a magical nighttime paradise. Install warm solar lights along pathways, wrap string lights around trees, or place lanterns among flower beds. Spotlights can highlight beautiful plants, fountains, or sculptures after dark. Soft lighting creates an inviting atmosphere for evening gatherings, family dinners, or relaxing outdoors. Solar-powered lights are energy efficient, easy to install, and require very little maintenance. Even a small garden becomes luxurious when illuminated with carefully placed lighting. The combination of glowing lights and lush greenery creates unforgettable nighttime scenery that everyone will love. 9. Recycle everyday items into garden decor. Turn old household items into creative garden decorations. Wooden crates become rustic planters. Old bicycles transform into flower stands. And unused teapots make charming succulent containers. Paint recycled materials with bright colors to match your garden's personality. Vintage ladders can display multiple potted plants vertically, while old barrows become beautiful raised flower beds. Recycling not only saves money, but also gives your garden unique character that can't be bought in stores. Every handmade decoration tells a story and adds warmth to your outdoor space. Sustainable gardening is both environmentally friendly and incredibly stylish. 10. Create a mini tropical paradise. Bring vacation vibes home by creating a lush tropical garden. Combine large-leaved plants like monstera, bird of paradise, elephant ear, and palms with colorful flowering plants. Add natural wood, decorative rocks, and a small water feature for an authentic tropical atmosphere. Layer plants of different heights to create a dense jungle effect, while leaving small walking paths between them. Use warm outdoor lighting to highlight the dramatic foliage during the evening. Even a small backyard or patio can feel like an exotic resort when designed thoughtfully. This tropical style remains one of the most popular home gardening trends because it creates a relaxing escape just outside your door. Beautiful gardening doesn't require a huge backyard or an expensive budget. It simply takes creativity, patience, and a love for nature. Whether you start with colorful containers, a vertical garden, relaxing seating area, or a tropical paradise, every small improvement brings your home closer to becoming your personal green sanctuary. Which gardening idea was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to hear your ideas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring gardening tips, creative DIY projects, and beautiful plant ideas every week. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, every amazing garden begins with planting just one beautiful idea. See you in the next video.